Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you my January Pandora's box. Yay! I can't wait to see what is in this bag. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Leah Garrett, and I am a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I'm a makeup enthusiast, not a makeup artist, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below that you can check out. So yeah, special Wednesday edition video! Woo! And yep, as you guys can see, I'm wearing the same exact makeup as I wore for my BoxyCharm and my Ipsy unboxing. I didn't want to put all of these together in one video so that way it's not super long. So I broke them up, and plus I like to kind of keep the indies away from the bigger brands. So yeah, that's why I'm doing it on a separate day. Awesome. All right. I do have my January Pandora's box right here. I have my tablet next to me to look up the information. So let's go ahead and dive on in. All right, as you guys know, Pandora's box has been trying to wean out the paper waste. So they have everything in an email. I have the email here. It says, thank you for choosing Pandora's Box of Indian Sessions. Of course, you know their theme each month is empowering women through history. January sub-theme is fierce drag queens. So I am really excited about this box right here. So let's go ahead and see what we got first. Ooh, this is nice. This bag is really pretty. And it looks like we have two shadows here from the brand Psyche Minerals. Let's see. From Psyche Minerals, a duo shadow set in honor of Jinx Monsoon and Bianca Del Rio. Jared Hoffer, better known by the drag name persona Jinx Monsoon, is best known for winning the 5th season of RuPaul's Drag Race. Roy Haylock, better known by the stage name Bianca Del Rio, is an American drag queen better known for winning the 6th season of RuPaul's Drag Race. All right, let's see what these shades are and what they look like. All right, this is Jinx. I like how it has a sifter and it's got the tape thing up there. Ooh, that's pretty. Right there. That is Jinx. All right. The next one is Bianca. Ooh, this is nice. That's real pretty. Those are really nice. I like those. All right. If you guys hear anything in the background, that's the hubster watching TV. Next, we have a bag of unicorn poop. Babe, we got unicorn poop. Unicorn poop. Which basically, it just looks like colored marshmallows. Pretty cool, because you guys know I'm all about unicorns. My lipstick has not wanted to cooperate at all tonight. All right. Ooh, we got something from Rebel Rouge Labs. You guys know I'm all about Rebel Rouge. All right, from Rebel Rouge Labs, a full-size Stardust highlighter in honor of Alchemy Queen. Our friend Jake, better known on Instagram as Alchemy Queen, is a serious mental health advocate and amazing lip and makeup artist. You can see more of Alchemy Queen's art by checking out his link, and I will post that down excuse me, in the description box. Let's go ahead and see what kind of shade we got. Oh, this is pretty. It's a nice, like, purple shift to it. It's really pretty. It is glittery, so if you are like me and you don't like glitter highlights like this, you can always just wet your brush and it'll just melt that glitter into the powder. Yeah, that's real pretty. I like that. Let's see what's next. Okay, this is from 42 Nerdtastic Place. Designs by Amanda Maeder. Detox Soy Wax Melt. Champagne Fizz with fruit and rose. Ooh, this is pretty. That is real pretty. I definitely smell the fruit. And I smell the rose. I'm not a big fan of the rose scent. I could have done without. But other than that, it smells really, really good. I think it's because my nose is just so sensitive to rose scented stuff. All right. Let's see what this says. From 42 Nerdtastic Place, a full-size 3-ounce wet wax melt in honor of Detox. I cannot pronounce this last name, so I'm going to just pop it on the bottom of the screen. Matthew Sanderson, betterly known by the stage name Detox, is an American drag performer and recording artist. Detox was a fixture in the Southern California drag scene before gaining prominence on the 5th season of RuPaul's Drag Race. Pretty cool. All right, let's see what we got next. Ooh, it's a lip frosting from Maeder Makeup Labs. Pretty cool. I have one of theirs. I think it came out in the first box, if I'm not mistaken. And this is in the shade, looks like the shade Rouge. It's a nice hot pink. From Maeder Makeup Labs, a full-size lip frosting in honor of none other than RuPaul. If you do not know who RuPaul is, like for real, I mean, I've already said a couple times RuPaul's Drag Race. Yeah. Just Google her. So that's pretty cool. I got stuff falling everywhere. All right. Ooh. This is from Twisted Wonderland Perfumery. You guys know I am all about this brand. This is Deadly Kiss Lip Balm. Watermelon Rose in Courtney. I don't know if it's Act or whatnot. I'll have to look at the thing. Ooh. That smells so good. Oh my God. I don't smell much of the rose, which is really good. Okay, let's see here. From Twisted Wonderland Perfumery, a full-size lip balm in honor of Courtney Act. I thought it was Act. Shane Gilberto Jenick, better known under the stage name Courtney Act, is an Australian drag queen, pop singer, entertainer, and reality television personality. Jenick first came to prominence as Courtney, competing on the first season of Australian Idol in 2003. In 2014, Jenick was one of the runners-up in season 6 of RuPaul's Drag Race. Pretty cool. All right. Let's see what else we got going on here. What's this? Ooh, this is from Hypnose Cosmetics. You guys know I love some Hypnose Cosmetics. All right. This is in the shade Alaska. Let's go ahead and see what this bad boy looks like. Ooh, she packed this. That's what I'm talking about. Ooh, that is pretty. Oh, that is real pretty. Yes. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, before I go any further, I know a few of you are probably like, Melissa, is that the same as maraschino? No, it's not. I do have maraschino, and I'm going to swatch that for you guys real quick. Okay. This is Alaska, and this is maraschino. As you can see, Alaska has a purplish pink shift to it, where maraschino is just a burnt red color. There's no shift to it at all. But Alaska has that purple pink shift to it. So it does make it different from Maraschino. Maraschino is just like red. So I did want to show you guys that before we went any further. From Hypnose Cosmetics, a deluxe size shadow randomly selected for each package. These shadows were made in honor of Alaska and Violet Chachiki. Alaska is the stage name of Justin Andrew Honored, and he was the runner-up on the 5th season of RuPaul's Drag Race. And that's the one that I got. And some people got the shade for Violet Chachiki. It says, Jason Dardo, known by the stage name of Violet Chachiki, is a drag queen as well, and best known from winning the 7th season of RuPaul's Drag Race. Pretty cool. I am just like so stoked over this. I can't wait to play with that bad boy. Because you guys know I love me some Hypnose Cosmetics. All right. Let's see what we got. Ooh, we got some. Ooh, we got a glitter from BTFE Cosmetics. Oh my God, look at this color. Look how neon that is. What? And this is in the shade Kataya. I'm not going to open it up. That is so cool. All right. From BTFE Cosmetics, a sample size pigment. Looks more like a glitter to me, though. This pigment is not approved for the U.S. FDA use around the eye area, probably because of the color and the glitter in it. It is in honor of Kataya. Not going to even try to pronounce this, so I'm going to place it at the bottom of the screen. The drag persona of Brian Joseph McCook. Let's see. Kataya is best known as the contestant on the 7th season of RuPaul's Drag Race and the 2nd season of RuPaul's Drag Race All Stars. Pretty cool. That is gorgeous. Oh, it's picking up green on my camera, but, excuse me, in person, it's yellow. That is awesome. I can't wait to play with that. Kim, you did great on that one. All right, and I have one more item, and it's just from Beauty Bar Baby. It is a jelly glitter in the shade Alyssa Edwards. Ooh, that's pretty. It's pink. It's got like specks of silver and black in it. And micros of blue and greens and stuff. Ooh, this is nice. It's different. That's what it looks like. From Beauty Bar Baby, a full-size glitter gel. This glitter gel can be used on the skin or in the hair. However, it is not approved around the eyes. And this is in honor of Alyssa Edwards. Justin Dwayne Lee Johnson, known by his stage name Alyssa Edwards, is best known for competing in drag pageantry, notably Miss Gay America 2010, before rising to national prominence on the 5th season of RuPaul's Drag Race, becoming a fan favorite during and after his time on the show. That is pretty cool. I am really stoked about all of these. So I'm going to clean all this up, and then we're going to talk about prices. Alrighty, let's talk about prices. For the wax melt, they retail for $5.99, which is not a bad price at all, because I believe Scentsy is $6, and these are handmade, so all for it. Did not mean to do that. The Beauty Bar Baby glitter is $7.50. The sample size pigment this one is $2.25. Her full size, I'm trying to find a full size one. This is what her full sizes are. Full sizes retail for $6.60. And here is the difference between the two of them. Let's see here. The Hypnose Cosmetics. This jar right here is $3.50. You can also get it in pressed shadow form as well, for $8. I do believe her prices go from $3.50 to $8. This one right here being $3.50. The lip frosting is $7. The Shadow Duo is $15. The Shadow Duo is $5, which is not a bad price for both of them. The Rebel Rouge Labs Stardust Highlighter is $8. And the lip balm is $3.50. All right, unfortunately, I did not get a bonus item this month, which is okay. A couple of you had asked about the bonus item thing. She does not know who gets the bonus item each month because she does not package these. Her husband packages them. So whatever he packages, and then she puts it in the label. I mean, she puts it in the mailer, the box or whatever she mails it in, and then it gets shipped. She does not know what goes in these bags when she puts it in the mailer to be shipped. So yeah, any discount codes that are included with any of these, I think there are a couple that have some, there are a couple that don't, but I have them, so I will put them down in the description bar down below for you guys. That is all that I have for you guys. Don't forget to pick up my glitter palette with Texas House of Glitters. We all know she is so pretty and looks like this. Just to let you guys know, as I stated in yesterday's video, these 4 shades are exclusive to this palette only. You cannot buy these in single shades. So yeah, you need to pick this up. I do have a discount code that you guys can use, and it is right here at the bottom of the screen. I do not earn any money off this discount code whatsoever. It is just there for you guys to save some money. And as always, you can follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/MelissaLeahGarrett, on Snapchat as MelissaLeah1223, and on Instagram as MelissaLeahGarrett. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account, so if you see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, if that subscribe button is red, it's the wrong color. You need to change it. And don't forget to share this channel out to everyone as well. While you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell. Therefore, you know when I'm posting, even though I mainly post on Tuesdays and Fridays. I love you all so much, and I will see you on Friday. For real this time. Bye. Now I am ready to take this makeup off and let my face breathe for a couple days. I got them done, babe. Yay. Both videos are done.